What's up, everybody? You know how it is. Moluela, aka Breezy the Hero. You already know what time it is. We're gonna talk about the market. So, jumping straight to it, today's topic is market structure. What is market structure? But before I jump into it, I just want to say to everybody who's buying signals from people, stop doing that. Why am I saying this? If you could save that money you're buying signals with, and you could dedicate 6 months of your time and learn a strategy and learn a profitable strategy back test, and then you take all that savings and then you buy a funded account, don't you think you would pass the phase one, phase two, and now lifetime payouts forever? So like sometimes you just gotta think, cause like if that person stops providing those signals for you, what now? You're gonna look for another signal provider? That's what you're gonna keep on doing, looking for signals providers. That's what you're good at, and then you call yourself a trader? You're not a trader, they provide for you. But that's not what we're talking about. Anyway, so what is market structure? So I want to pinpoint everything here. So I wrote some things down, that way I say everything and I don't leave anything out, right? So going back straight to it, understanding market structure, right? Market structure is the behavior, condition, and current flow of the market. It highlights support and resistance levels. Let me say that again. Market structure is the behavior, condition, and current flow of the market. It highlights support and resistance levels, swing highs and swing lows. And hence we know that the market only moves in three trends. Matter of fact, I won't even say three trends, but I would say the market only goes in three directions, which is bullish, the upside, bearish, the downside, and consolidation. And trust me, you don't want to be stuck in a consolidating trend, because a consolidating trend is buyers and sellers at the same time. But anyway, that's going to be a topic for another day. So, uh, market structure is the behavior, condition, and current flow of the market. It highlights support and resistance levels. It swing highs and swing lows. A trend is simply a consistent direction of price movement over time. Did you hear that? A trend is simply a consistent direction of price movement over time. Market structure can tell you if the market is trending or not. So, in other words, when you take a trade, you have to go with the trend. Most of y'all take losses back to back. Why? Because you're trying to go against the trend. You gotta go with the trend. Focus on those support and resistance levels. Wait for those retests. Wait for those pullbacks. Trust me, patience is key and timing is crucial in the market. And then moving forward, basically, if the market is trending towards the upside, that's how you can tell you have a bullish market. And then if the market is trending to the downside, that's how you know you have a bearish market. That's where it's a bear. Because when bears fight, they put you down, right? When a bull fights, it tosses you up with its horns. So that's why it's said that bullish trend upside, bearish trend downside. So anyway, basically basically, if the market is trending to the downside, that's when you see that you have a bearish market. But if the market is just going sideways, you know it's a consolidation. As I said earlier on, you do not want to be trapped in a consolidating trend. And again, I want you to challenge yourself, right? I want you to challenge yourself, because I know most of y'all are not holding your positions as long as you have to. Most of y'all can hold your losses with the hopes of it returning into profits. But why can't you hold your profits with the hope of it gaining times two profits? You know, so I just want you to look at things with a different perspective. Not everything needs your reaction. Sometimes you just gotta learn to sit back and observe. Sit back and observe. Just because your session is active doesn't mean you have to trade. Just because it's a Monday doesn't mean you have to trade. Sometimes you just gotta sit back and observe. That's how it is. You gotta sit back and observe. And trust me when I say there's always room for improvement. There's always room for improvement. Even those six figures traders, they're always reading. They're always trying new things. Why? Because they wanna expand. They wanna evolve. They wanna grow. You can't rush greatness. So if you out here trying to buy signals and think you're gonna be one of the greatest, I'm sorry to tell you that you're wasting your time. Unless if you would stop there, give yourself 6 months, be dedicated, be obsessed, learn the skill, learn the fundamentals, the technicals, just learn everything about forex. Do your research. As long as you have a phone and a Wi-Fi, you cannot be broke. Because that way, you can even go to Cash Crusaders, I think, or it's what I think it's Cash Crusaders. They can hold one of your items and they can lend you some money, and you can use that money to fund or buy an account. So in other words, there's no need for excuses. But I know sometimes there might be tight situations, and I really do understand, hence I can relate too. So moving forward, it's better to hold buys in a bullish trend. Analyze on TradingView. Big tip. TradingView, you use TradingView for analyzing and to look at the market. MetaTrade is for execution. MetaTrade is for taking trades, not analyzing. You use TradingView to analyze. It has every tool you need. It has news, it has instruments, everything you need, right? So take forex trading seriously and it will pay you. Trust me, take forex trading seriously and it will pay you. So if I was just to brief you a little bit, I've been trading for 3 years right now. And yes, I'm not a millionaire yet, but I'm a pending millionaire because I have confidence in myself. And again, I don't doubt myself. My self-esteem is high as shit. And I'm sorry for my language. But what I want to tell you here is, once you start being obsessed with it, once you start being dedicated with it, there's no turning back, because that way you want to know everything. That way you want to learn everything. And like when that fire is still like burning in you, that's when you really have to do it. Because like, there's some days where like you might feel like, I don't feel like learning, but that's when the discipline kicks in. Self-discipline is self-respect. Self-respect is self-control. That's how it is. And in the market, you need to control yourself, not your trades. You gotta control yourself, because you are the input and the trades are the output. You are the input because you are the one who's taking the trades. You are the one who's doing your analysis. So in other words, you should control yourself, not your trades. You gotta work on yourself, your mindset. You gotta teach yourself to hold your positions longer for them to double in profits. You gotta teach yourself to hold your positions until the take profit is hit. And most importantly, and I know most of y'all is what y'all doing, why do you hold your losses and hope that they're gonna go back into profit? But why can't you hold your profits in hopes that they're gonna double like the profit? But anyway, guys, I just wanted to say that, and I hope like everything I said, I just hope it moves somebody. I just hope it helps somebody. I just hope I just hope that it inspires somebody too. So trading is really the future. Trading is really the future. Trading is where real money at. So trust me when I say be dedicated, be obsessed, and keep going. No matter what they say, don't stop. Trust me. One day it's all gonna pay off, and you are gonna be the one that breaks the generational curse in your family. You're gonna be the first millionaire, right? I'm the one, and I'm looking at the other millionaire. Matter of fact, I'm looking at the other billionaire. Everybody, I just hope y'all learn before you earn. Keep that. It's important. Learn before you earn. And most of all, I'll see y'all in my next upload. Keep learning, keep evolving, keep growing. Mulwela signing out. Breezy the hero. Yes, sir.